Hi there, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show how to insert checkboxes. So to do this, just come to this ribbon. We want to insert checkboxes across these cells so that you can use this to track who was present and who was absent on these days. So to do this, click on this very first cell and then come here to the developer. Then you click here on insert. This drop down comes up. Then you just click on the form controls and select that checkbox. Then you just draw out a checkbox here. Please do well to align it accordingly so that it fits your cell properly. Then just click inside and then remove this check information you have here because we don't need it. Unless you need it, you can edit it to whatever you want. You can write search, or you can literally just edit it to whatever you want, right? So I'm just going to click on it so that I'll remove what I had put inside because I don't want to have it here. So now that I've deleted it, you just click on enter. So you have one checkbox here. So go to the cell and just highlight where the spaces that you want to fill, and then also highlight all the way down. Then using Control D and Control R, you fill up the remaining spaces. So with this, you can select to see who was around and on what dates they were around. I know there are other ways to do this, but this is just one way I want to use to teach you how to use the checkbox. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.